Okay, we got a 2020 Jeep Wrangler. This one's the base model, which is the way to go. You buy it base, and then you pile on all the accessories on it. I'm gonna go ahead and what we install here is the Clifford 3105 with the Viper Smart Start module. So if somebody opens the door, it fires off. He'll receive the alert on his phone. Plus, he can arm and disarm it from his anywhere in the world from his phone, and it has GPS also. But I'm going to show you. The guy took off with the phone, so I don't have no way of showing the phone part. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the alarm. I'm going to go ahead and hit lock. That arms the alarm. Somebody walks up and they bang on the window. Fires off. Okay. If a door is open, the alarm will fire off. It's got panic button. Okay. Then we hooked up the back too. So if in the event that somebody opens the back tailgate, it will fire off the alarm as well. I'll show you that in a second. You gotta wait for the interior lights to shut off inside. I'm gonna go ahead and open the door, the alarm will fire off. Okay. Yeah, and then he'll get the alert on his phone. He's probably getting it right now. And like I say, it comes with the GPS and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on this side of the window, and that will fire off the alarm. What they changed in this 2020 Jeep is, the fender. They went ahead and put this little thing here. A couple. They put the hinges in the doors. I'm gonna go ahead and open this door. The alarm will trigger. Went ahead and put hinges, so now if the Jeep is up in the hill, the door's not closing on you. The interior, it's a lot different from the other one. The other one's got the vents here. This one's got them up high. Did a little leather here. So, yeah. It's a lot different from the 2019 and 2018, 2017. By the way, this one is a push to start. All the other models, you gotta put the key in the ignition and turn it. This one's a push to start. So yeah, I mean, it's got the T-tops. You can take off this part of the roof. So yep, this is it. We went ahead and give him the alarm system with the alert on his phone. This is on a 2020 Jeep Wrangler. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching.